simple can of paint can transform old, weathered yard furniture into stylish and functional pieces. An old trellis like this can be revitalized with a vibrant coat of weather-resistant paint, giving it a fresh look and extending its life. The same goes for chairs, benches, and even wooden pallets, which can be painted and repurposed into trendy outdoor seating or tables. By upcycling old furniture, you not only save money on new items, but also prevent these pieces from ending up in the landfill. The same can be said for planters that become worn and dull over time. Instead of discarding them, consider giving them a makeover with paint. A fresh coat of paint can restore the color and charm of these items, making them look brand new. For example, terracotta pots can be painted in bright hues to add a pop of color to your garden, while old bird baths can be given a modern twist with metallic or pastel shades. This not only refreshes your garden space, but also promotes sustainability by reducing waste. Even old garden tools can benefit from a bit of paint. Ask me how I know. Tools with wooden handles can be sanded down and painted with bright paint to protect them from further wear and tear, while adding a touch of color to your gardening routine. This not only extends the life of tools, but also makes them easier to spot in the garden. Upcycling garden tools in this way reduces the need to purchase new ones and helps decrease the amount of waste that ends up in our landfills. Upcycling with paint can go beyond basic refreshes to include creative projects like painting old ladders to use as plant stands or turning old tires into colorful garden beds. These projects not only make use of items that might otherwise be thrown away, but also allow you to customize your outdoor space in unique and personal ways. What items have you upcycled? I'd love to see your ideas in the comments. Looks a lot better. I'm back for another project. I'm just going to freshen up some accessories we have for the yard. I have these two fence pot containers, plant containers. I have planters to go in them. And then we have these tiki torch style holders that have seen better years. that I'm gonna just give a fresh coat of black paint. And then for the tiki torches, I have these cute little solar lanterns to slip in there. So I'm just going to use my trusty handle, my paint can, and for about, I don't know, $5-6, these are going to look like new again. Old faded planters, like the window box planter I have, can be given a new lease on life with a simple coat of paint. Whether they are made of plastic, ceramic, or metal, a fresh layer of paint can dramatically improve their appearance. You can even get creative with patterns and designs to add a personal touch to your garden. This method not only saves you from buying new planters, as these upcycled items continue to serve a purpose instead of being discarded. Outdoor fixtures like these solar light tiki torches I have, or maybe your mailbox, often suffer from exposure to the elements, leading to rust and fading. Rather than replacing these items, you can use paint to give them a second life. Rust-proof paint can rejuvenate metal fixtures, while a fresh coat of paint on wooden fences or gates can make them look new again. This approach not only saves money on replacement, but also keeps perfectly usable items out of the landfill, contributing to a more sustainable environment for us and our future to come. Okay, I'm just going to let these dry and then I'll show you how it looks afterwards. And then I got these two to go in the fence flower pot hangers. And I'll show you where I'm going to put these when I'm done. So I'm just going to plant these up and then I'll show you how it looks all in the end. For this last part, I have these old, worn out solar lanterns that I've seen way better days. So I ended up just dismantling them. In fact, one of them still had glass in it, and I just put it over our trash can and broke the glass out and removed all the glass pieces. And then if there was anything protruding up, any old parts or working items, or what was working items for the solar part, I just pulled out. So here you'll see I took a piece, well actually these are the 99-cent solar lanterns that you can pick up. I got mine at Walmart. And then the piece that comes with them, the little plastic piece that you would stick into the ground, I ended up just cutting off 2 small pieces and attached it. And then to put it into the lantern, I just used some E6000 glue and glued them into the base of the lantern. And then you'll see how perfect they turned out. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you got some inspiration here, or maybe found some information useful. If you did, please give a girl a help out, subscribe and like the channel, and stay tuned. I will be coming out with more projects in the future. Thanks for watching.